Dear students, welcome back to Digital Electronics and Logic Design online video lecture series. In this video, I am going to discuss about the how the complements can be used in performing some arithmetics. Mostly complements such as ones complement, twos complements, sevens complement, eights complements, nines complements and tens complements, 15's complements and 16's complements can be used to perform the subtraction in the form of addition. But in the syllabus we have the ones complement and twos complement. How the ones complements and the twos complements can be used to perform the subtraction in the form of addition, because the computer cannot perform the subtraction directly, so that by making use of complements the computer can perform the subtraction in the form of addition. So here the point is very clear that the ones complement and the twos complement, we have the ones and twos complement. These ones and twos complements can be used to perform subtraction, in the form of addition. The main use of these complements, these can perform the subtraction in the form of addition, because the computer system cannot perform the subtraction directly. It performs the subtraction in the form of addition using the complements. Here we are going to talk about the two types of complements, which are ones complement and the twos complement. Now in this class I am going to explain the procedure, in which how the computer can perform the subtraction in the form of addition using the ones and twos complement. Then I am going with the one particular subtraction using the ones and twos complement. Example, I am going with the example 1 now. Example 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. 12 is what? 12 is the decimal number and the 9 is also the decimal number. 12 minus 9 is what? We know this one. 12 minus 9 is always 3 only. The question will be given like this: perform the subtraction using the ones complement. It is the question. Using the ones complement we have to perform this subtraction. We know that the complements can be used to perform the subtraction in the form of addition. The step 1 I am going with. That is, first of all, whatever the data is there, we have to convert that is into the binary form. Step 1, convert the given data into the binary form. First one is what? 12. 12 can be written as, you should remember that 10 is nothing but 1 0 1 0, 11 is 1 0 1 1, 12 is 1 1 0 0. If you have any doubt, and you can go with the representation. We know the representation, that is 1 2 4 and 8. So we require to have what? 12. 12 means what? The 12 means I can write this is 8 plus 4 is 12. So that I require the 8, I require the 4, I don't require the 2, I don't require the 1. So that 12 can be written as step 1. Whatever the data is there, that has to be converted into the binary form. So that 12 is equals to 1 1 0 0. 12 is in decimal form, 1100 is in the binary form. Step 1, whatever the data is there in the question, we have to convert that is into the binary form, 1100. Then we have to go with the 9. 9 is nothing but 9 means what? 8 plus 1 will be the 9. I require 8, I require 1, so that these two will be 0. That means what? This will be the 9. I can write it is 1001. The step 1 is completed. In this step 1, then 12 is called as minute. It can be denoted with M, and the 9 is called as subtrahend. This is minute and this is subtrahend. Next, step 2, we have to go with the step 2 now. Step 2, keep the minute as it is. Keep the minute is as it is. What is the minute now? 1100. But this subtrahend has to be complemented. Which complement? In the question it is given as by making use of 1's complement, we have to perform this one. So that subtrahend we have, and we need to have the complemented of that subtrahend. Subtrahend is what? Subtrahend is 1001, but the complement of that subtrahend will be 0, 110. Wherever 1 is there, that is replaced by 0. Wherever 0 is there, that is replaced by 1. Wherever 1 is there, that is replaced by. Then now step 3, I am going with the step 3. Add minute, that is M. Add minute plus complemented subtrahend, that is S bar. What is minute? We know that minute is 1100. It's clear? Subtrahend, complemented subtrahend is 0110. Then add. Actually question is what? It is a subtraction. 12 minus 9. It is a subtraction. But we have doing this subtraction in the form of addition. Now onwards it is addition. What is the main benefit? What is the main benefit of the complements? We can perform the subtraction in the form of addition. Actually given question is a subtraction, but we are performing that subtraction in the form of addition. Now M plus S bar. S is a subtrahend, S bar is a complement of that one. So that now add those two now. Now I am adding 0 plus 0. We know that binary addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. And that is 0 is his sum and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry is 1. Now you have to go with the point here. Here we have the data with the 4 bits 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the primary result is in the 5 bits. Primary result is in the 5 bits. This is 5th bit is named as it is extra or it is a carry. 5th bit is called as it is a carry. So that if it is having the carry, so that we have to assume that if in primary result there is a carry, that is 1, then we have to assume then final result is positive. So that what? We got carry 1. If in the primary result, this is called primary result. If in the primary result there is a carry, so that final result will be the positive one. Final result will be the positive one. Then what is the final result? So that what we have so far? We have 1. Finally, primary result what we have? 10010. This is a carry. So that by seeing the carry, we have to understand that the result will be the positive one. So that we have to, what we have to do? We have to add this carry to the end now. So that what will be having now? 0, 0, 1 and 0 plus 1 will be the 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. That means what? 2 is 1 and 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is what? It will be the 3. So that what we got now? Now we got the answer is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. We have the answer. 12 minus 9 is what? It is 3. And 12 minus 9, actually it is a subtraction, but we performed that subtraction in the form of addition. Using the complements. This is the one of the example to have the subtraction in the form of addition. Then I am going to explain the one more example. That is I can go with 25 minus 40. What is the answer? We know that answer is minus 15 only. 25 minus 40. And what is the answer? It is the minus 15. We have to get this. We have to perform this by making use of 1's complement. Then first we have to convert. First step is what? First step we have to convert the given data in the problem into the binary form. After that we have to take the subtrahend and it has to be complemented. And third step we have to add minute and the complemented subtrahend. And if in the primary result if there is a carry, result will be the positive. And to get the final result we have to add this end carry. Then that will be the final result. So that first step I am going with the first we have to convert the 25. We have to convert the 25 into the binary form and 40 into the binary form. Take the 25. 25 is a decimal number. Convert into the binary. 2 12s are 24 and remainder is 1. 2 6s are 12. Remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2 and remainder is 1. So that collect all the things. This is 1 1 0 0 1. This is the base 2 which is equivalent to the 25 base 10. We know the conversion of numbers from one number to the another number system we have studied. This is what it is. 1 1 0 0 1 is the binary number which is equivalent to the 25 decimal number. Then we have to convert 40 into the binary form. 40, we know the 40 and it has to be converted into the binary. 2 20 will be the remainder is 0. 2 10 the remainder is also 0. 2 5 the remainder is also 0. 2 2's the remainder is 1 and 2 1's the remainder is 0. So that what we got? Then 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 and the 000. This is base 2. Now it is what? It is the minute and it is the subtrahend. Now write the same equation. Now actually equation is what? Equation is 25 minus 40. 25 minus 40 and the 25 I am writing the same data now. First I am writing the 25 here. Here 25 I am writing. This is 25 base 10 minus 40 base 10. So convert this is binary form. 25 is what? 25 is 1 1 0 1. Just now we have seen 1 1 0 1 base 2. Then 40 will be what? 40 will be 1 0 1 000 1 0 1 000. It is a base 10 now. 1 0 1 1 0 1 and 000. It is a base 10. Then we have to go with the step 2 now. We have to go with the step 2. What is the step 2? Step 2 is nothing but it is we have to take the complement of a subtrahend. This is a minuend and this is a subtrahend. This is a subtrahend. Take the subtrahend now. Subtrahend minuend is as it is. Minuend is 11101. How many bits it is having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that I can add 0 here. First we have to see that both the digits in this minuend and the subtrahends, the number of digits in the minuend and subtrahend must be equal. We should make equal by adding the zeros to the left side. Then coming to the subtrahend is what? Subtrahend is 10100, but we require to have subtrahend bar. That is what? Now it will be, all will be, 1 will be replaced by 0, 0 will be replaced by 1, 0, 1, 0, 111. Then step 3 now. Step 3 I am going. Step 3, minuend plus subtrahend bar. So what is the minuend we have? 0, 11001 plus subtrahend bar is what? 0, 10111. Then add, then we can add these two. Then I am adding, see this one, 0 plus 1 plus 1, it is 1 plus 1 is 1 0, sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 1 0, sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 1 1. Sum is 1, carry is also 1. 0 plus 1, it will be the 1. There is no carry. See this one. Earlier, we have the minuend is with the 6 bits and the subtrahend complement is also 6 bit. But the primary result also a 6 bits only. There is no carry. We can say that here there is no carry. There is no carry. If in the primary result there is no carry, the final result will be a negative. If there is a carry, just now we have seen one of the example. If there is a carry in the primary result, final result will be the positive if there is a carry. But here there is no carry, so that you have to assume that if there is no carry in the primary result, then the final result will be the negative. Here there is no carry now, so that final result will be negative. Then in what way we can get that result? See this one. What is the primary result we have? Primary result is 11000. Right? Then to get the final result, from the final primary result, we have to make again ones complement. Again we have to make the ones complement of this one, so that if this procedure is valid, if there is no carry in the primary result. If there is no carry in the primary result, we have to assume that the result is negative, and to get the final result, we have to make again ones complement of the primary result, so that this 1 will be 0, this 1 will be 0, these 4 zeros will be replaced by 4 ones. That means what? We don't require the last 0, so that you can neglect these zeros. This is and this is. Then finally we left with what? 4 ones. 4 ones means what? 1, 2, 4 and 8. This is 1, 1, 1, 1. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. It will be equals to 15. And due to the no carry, the result is negative. So that what is the answer we got? Minus 15 we got. Likewise, we can perform the subtraction in the form of addition by making use of the ones complement. Then you can perform the same things with the twos complement also. We can perform the same subtraction using the 2's complement also. I am going with the one more example, random example. I am going example 3 now. Example 3, that is 43 minus 23. Then what is the answer we have? That will be the 20. Using performs, do the subtraction using 2's complement method. Using 2's complement. So far we have discussed the subtraction using the 1's complement. Now we have to perform the subtraction using the 2's complement. Procedure remains same only. Step 1. Step 1, what we have to do? We have to convert. We have to convert the given data into the binary form. First one is what? 43 has to be converted into the binary, and the 23 has to be converted into the binary. Then first I am going with the 43. 43, that means what? It has to be successively divided by 2, that is 21, and the 21 into 2 means 42, remainder is 1, and 2 tens is 20 and remainder is 1, and 2 5s are 10 and remainder is 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, and 2 1 and the remainder is 0. So that finally what we have for the 43? For the 43 we have 101 011, 101 011. Then in similar way we have to get 23 also. 23, take 23 now. 23 successively divided by 2, then 2 11s are 22 and remainder is 1, and 2 5s are and the 10 and the remainder is 1, 2 2s are 4 and the remainder is also 1, and 2 1s are and remainder is 0. That is 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. That now 43 is in 6 bits. 43 is in 6 bits and the 23 is in 5 bits only. 23 is in 5 bits only. So that what we have to do? We have to make it 6 bits. Here this is 6 bits, 1 2 3 1 2 3, but here it is 5 bits only, so that left side I can add a 0. Now it is 6 bits and it is also 6 bit. First step is completed. In the step 1 we have to convert into the given data into the binary form, and we should make sure that the minuend and the subtrahend must be with the equal number of digits. By adding the zeros, we have to zeros at the left side, we have to make both the number of digits in the minuend and the subtrahend must be equal. Step 1. Then next one is what? It is a step 2. Now I can go with step 2. Then minuend is added as it is. What is minuend? 101 011. 101 011. Then what we have to have? Then we need to have the complement of subtrahend. Complement, 1's complement of subtrahend. 1's complement of subtrahend means what? 0 1 0 111. That means what? 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0, and 0 is replaced by 1, and 3 ones will be replaced by 3 zeros. This is 1's complement, but the question is given is what? 2's complement. The 1's complement we perform, 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1. 1's complement plus 1 will be the 2's complement, so that it is 1's complement, right? 1's complement plus 1 will be the 2's complement, so that answer will be 1000101. It is what it is? 1's complement plus 1 will be the 2's complement. Now we perform the 2's complement, so that now add minuend and the 2's complement. Minuend and the 2's complement, 2's complement of subtrahend. So that what is the minuend? Step 3 now. Step 3, minuend is what? 101 011. Then 2's complement and subtrahend is what? 101 001. Then add. Now subtraction is converted into addition. That means what? By making use of the complements, we can perform the subtraction in the form of addition. Then perform the addition now. 1 plus 1 is 1 0, in which 0 is sum and 1 is carry. We know that. 1 plus 1 is again 1 0, and sum is 1 0, and sum is 0, carry is 1. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Here 1. 1 plus 1, this is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Here 0 and carry. In case of 1's complement method, if we get the carry, we have assumed that the result will be, the final result will be the positive. Here also we got the carry is 1, and so that result will be positive only. Final result will be positive. And in case of 1's complement method, what we did? We have added this 1 to the end. That is called end carry. So that add carry. But in case of 2's complement method, we simply neglect this carry. And the remaining will be the answer only. So by having the carry, what we are noting down, the result will be the positive. Second thing, we should discard that carry. By discarding, and whatever the remaining thing is there, that will be the answer. What we have? Remaining thing will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then what it is? What? It is 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and this is 8, and it is 16. See this one? 16. And where are ones are there? It is 16 into 1, this is 16, and this is 1, and remaining will be the 0. So this is 0 into 8, 0, 2 into 0 is a, this is also 0. That is 16 plus 4 is how much? 16 plus 4 will be the 20. Which 20? Plus 20. What we have? Plus 20. We got the answer. So that in case of 2's complement method, what we have to do? Step 1. We have to convert the given data into the binary form, and after that we must see that both the minuend and the subtrahend is with the equal number of digits. Step 1. Step 2, what we have to do? We have to keep minuend is as it is. We have to perform the 2's complement of subtrahend. 2's complement of subtrahend is nothing but 1's complement of the subtrahend plus 1. That will be the 2's complement. Now we have to add in step 3 minuend plus the 2's complement of the subtrahend. By adding, if we get the by adding the minuend and the 2's complement of subtrahend, if we get the carry, that is the additional bit, then we have to assume that the coming result will be the positive, and we have to discard that carry, and remaining will be the required answer. By converting that is into the decimal form, you will get the answer. In case of question is like this, that is 23 minus 43. If the question is 23 minus 43, then what will be the answer? I am going to explain the same. I am having question is 23 minus 43. 23 minus 43. We know the answer is what? Minus 20 is the answer. But question is given that perform the given subtraction using the 2's complement method. Step 1. What is the step 1? Step 1, we have to do what? We have to convert 23 into the binary form, and 43 is also into the binary form. 23 in the binary form is what? 23 is in the binary form, that is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. 23 in the binary form 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. And 43 in the binary form is what? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is what? It is 23 and it is 43. Then what we have to do in the step 2? In the step 2, we have to have the 2's complement of given subtrahend. Step 2. Subtrahend, this is minuend and this is subtrahend. And take the subtrahend, that is S is equals to what? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 1's complement is what? The wherever 1 is there, we have to replace by 0, and 0 is replaced by 1, and so that this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is 1's complement, but the given question we have to perform the subtraction using the 2's complement. 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1. So that add these two, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0. Now add, this is the 2's complement of subtrahend. In step 3 now, step 3 what we have to do? In step 3 we need to add m, that is minute, and minute plus 1's complement of subtrahend, the 2's complement of subtrahend, that is nothing but 1's complement plus 1. M is what? 0, 1, 0, 111, and the 2's complement of subtrahend is, that is nothing but 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then add. Now this is actually subtraction. From here onwards we are doing the addition. So that add this one. 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, in which 0 is sum, 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, and 0 is sum and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 1, 1, 1 is sum and another 1 is carry. 0 plus 1, it is 1, and 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, and this is 1. 0 plus 1, it will be the 1. So that there is no carry. See this one? Minute is with the 6 bits and the subtrahend is also 6 bits. So that there is no carry here. No carry is there. If there is no carry, the result will be negative. You should understand that. If there is no carry, we should understand that the result is negative. The result is negative. To get the final result, what we have to do? To get the final result, and we have to perform the 2's complement of the primary result. This is the primary result, right? In the primary result, there is no carry, so that we should understand that the final result will be negative. But to get the final result, we have to perform 2's complement again. 2's complement of primary result. 2's complement means what? 1's complement plus 1. This is 1's complement. Perform the 1's complement. 1's complement will be 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1's complement of the primary result will be this one. But we require to have the 2's complement, that is 1's complement plus 1. So that 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, and the 0 is sum and carry is 1. 1 plus 1 again 1, 0, and here 1 and 0, 1. This is the answer. 1, 0, 1, 0 is equals to 20. Here already we came to know that the final result will be the negative one. So that answer we can tell that it is minus 20. Like this, we can use the 1's complement and the 2's complements in performing the subtraction operation in the form of addition. The 1's and 2's complements can be used in the computers to perform the subtraction in the form of addition. From this 1's and 2's complement arithmetics, we can expect the one short answer question, or we can expect the one long answer question for the 5 marks. So that it is very, very important. I am giving the conclusion of this 1's complement and 2's complement. Steps remain same in the 1's complement and 2's complement method in obtaining the subtraction. First we have to convert the given data into the binary form, and we should see that the minute and the subtrahend must be with the equal number of digits. With the equal number of digits. This is step 1. Step 2, if it is 1's complement, using 1's complement, we have to perform the 1's complement on the subtrahend by keeping the minute is as it is. And if it is 2's complement, using the 2's complement, we have to perform the 2's complement over the subtrahend. 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1, that will be the 2's complement. Step 2 is completed. Step 3, we have to add the minute plus complemented subtrahend. If it is 1's complemented method, we have to add 1's complemented subtrahend to the minute. Otherwise, if it is a 2's complement method, we have to add 2's complemented subtrahend to the minute. If in the primary result, if there is a carry, the final result will be the positive. If there is no carry, the final result will be the negative. Then if there is a carry in case of 1's complement method, to get the final answer, we need to add that 1 to the carry. We have to add that carry to the end, so that we can call it is carry end, and we have to add that to the LSB bit, so that we will get the final answer. In case of 2's complement method, we simply discard that carry and the remaining thing will be the answer. And if there is no carry in the primary result, we should understand that the final result will be the negative one. To get the final result, if it is using the 1's complement, we have to perform the 1's complement operation on the primary result, so that we will get the final answer. If by making use of the 2's complement in the primary result there is no carry, we should understand that final result will be the negative, but to get the final result, that primary result has to be 2's complemented again, then only we can get the final result. So in this way we can apply the complement arithmetics in obtaining the subtraction in the form of addition. Here the point is noted very clear that computers finds difficulty in performing the subtraction, so that they can perform the subtraction in the form of addition by using the complements. So computer deals with the binary numbers only, so that by making use of 1's complement and the 2's complement, subtractions can be performed inside the computers in the form of addition, so that in this way we can have the subtraction inside the computer. From this topic we can expect the one short answer question or one long answer question for the 5 marks, so that this 35 minutes or 40 minutes of class is very important. And if you have any doubt, and go through the videos, and if you have further doubts, you can call me or you can text me, and such that every problem of yours is going to be clear, such that you will be ready for the exam. Thank you, students, and don't go outside. Be safe in the home and take care of your family. And from the June 26th onwards, you will be having the first mid theory exam. Mostly is in online only, and try to write the notes from shared videos, not only for the DELD, but also for all the subjects. Try to write the notes. Anyway, at the end of the each unit, I am going to share the PDF of that particular unit, so that you will be aware of each and every point in that. So thank you, student. Thank you so much.